Go cook your pizza.
What?
You go cook.
What?
Cook. You're gonna cook, right?
It's spreading. Come on, let's cook. And I'll give it a wash. Hey, who did that? Me. Okay. We need to clean out our sink, guys. Clean. There. Now we need to make her egg. We got some eggs. Now it's microwave them. Okay, put them in the microwave. They're mine. Oh no, now I'm popping. More eggs. Here, come on. Put them in here. Come on. Ah! Okay. Sorry. Here, I got another egg. Make sure they don't grow out. And I'll put the microwave. Okay, just make sure they don't roll out. Look, you can make water in here.